Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Matt Scott, and I'm your National Sales Manager for Critical Infrastructure here at Kontek Industries. So today we're going to be discussing gun ports. Now, what is a gun port? So a gun port is basically a port that's going to protect you from incoming fire and or threats. So we have many styles and variations of gun ports. We actually have our standard, which is a GP1 port. Now that's our basic sliding port, and that's going to slide from the left and to the right. So what that is, that's going to basically protect you from standards from NIJ4 all the way up to 50 cal. And that's ranging from two variations of standards. That's the NIJ standard as well as the UL 752 standard. And what that's going to do is protect you on the basic construct. So our GP2 port, very similar to the GP1. However, you're able to go ahead and manipulate more so on that tactical advantage. And what I'm saying is that port also has an advantage to combat weathering conditions, but also has an extension of an 8 to also 12-inch arm. In doing so, that responding officer can go ahead and slap said arm to the left and or to the right, however deemed fit, to gain that function, whether it be 2 inches and or 12 inches, to get an opening and fire back. So we're also going to go ahead and discuss the GP3 port. So the GP3 is actually a turret design port, and what it does is actually assist that officer in responding to that enemy threat. And what that officer is going to do is actually put his compensator of his rifle within that ball turret and actually look out the viewing port and be well protected on the other side. He's able to go ahead and shoot out and traverse either left and or right. And that officer is actually going to be well protected. Now that GP3 can actually turn into a GP1 and slide to the left and or right if that glass cartridge is actually compromised. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the GP3M. This is actually our miniature GP3. The GP3M is actually there to go ahead and retrofit, let's say, into your mobile positions, whether you have a Bearcat, a 6x, any type of mobile unit, actually go ahead and put in either the door, a type of hatch. You can also go ahead and accommodate into another fixed position, a defensive fighting position, and or an additional fighting position, whether it be in a building and or a fixed position on the ground or elevated position. Well, guys, certainly do appreciate your time. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out at info@kontekindustries.com. Thanks, take care.